Meaning of hedonistic.
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 Hedonistic. Hedonistic refers to a lifestyle or philosophy that emphasizes pleasure and enjoyment as the primary goal of life. Hedonists believe in the pursuit of happiness, pleasure and satisfaction, and prioritize their own personal enjoyment and gratification above all else. This can manifest in various forms such as indulging in luxurious experiences, material possessions or engaging in sensual pleasures. However, this can also lead to self-centered behavior, lack of concern for others and a superficial outlook on life. Ultimately, hedonism is a highly subjective concept where one's idea of pleasure can differ greatly from another's.